SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. SLP certainly faces opposition at $0.003 in an exceptionally huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir generally is buy and buy esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the truly bears essentially has been laid out at $0.003. 30 October 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through especially Smooth Love mixture cost examination for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on some things, facts, what truly is especially momentary cost expectation for especially Smooth Love Elixir, by and large is SLP a truly wise venture, which really is very critical. Smooth Love mixture support and opposition levels and so forth, which sort of is very huge. However, prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized examination, generally let us really discuss the genuinely current economic situations, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,276,444,521,247 in a kind of enormous manner. The sort of absolute exchanging volume especially remains at $33,863,355,643 by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which basically is very critical. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, so Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an in every practical sense, significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period, or so they generally thought. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.86 and as of now exchanging at 56 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which most certainly shows that SLP most certainly faces opposition at $0.003, which really is genuinely critical. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a by and large descending course for extremely present moment, which truly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time span, which in a real sense is very huge. Right now, a genuinely broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers truly become commonly more especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in a truly significant manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors truly become move really dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in an unobtrusive manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of especially Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, kind of Smooth Love mixture execution. The day-to-day graph of kind of Smooth Love mixture really shows that the SLP cost in a real sense has an in every practical sense descending development with a 1.18% lessening in certainly beyond 24 hours, so similarly. Obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers generally become move truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which in a real sense is very critical. The value worth of the in every practical sense, smooth love mixture, SLP, coin, certainly is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, exhibiting that help generally is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of more most certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is genuinely huge. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, showing how yet prior to jumping profound into the SLP specialized examination, sort of allowed us fundamentally to discuss the genuinely current economic situations in a very significant manner. Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 30 October 2023, inside a very everyday time period, fundamentally made sense of underneath, which especially shows that help explicitly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become kind of additional in every practical sense, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which most certainly is very huge. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to fundamentally examine the future development of the sort of smooth love elixir, which for the most part shows that smooth love mixture essentially is buy and buy esteemed at $0.003 backing. For the generally bears basically has been laid out at $0.003 30 October 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through kind of smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these regularly, especially clarified some pressing issues, facts, what especially is especially transient cost expectation for pretty smooth love elixir, truly is SLP a kind of wise venture, which certainly is very critical. The overall strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI sort of is at 34, which sort of is genuinely critical. The MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, for the most part further appearance how the essentially relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin really is close oversold zone, as RSI is at 34, which certainly is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, genuinely further appearance how SLP basically faces our position at $0.003, or so they really thought. While SLP's Williams %R marker generally is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extremely signal especially is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, so we utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to essentially examine the future development of the truly smooth love elixir, which especially shows that smooth love